Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is about how to solve the cost problem. But before we'll proceed, we'll give you first the question to be answered here on the premiere. The question: two parallel lines intersecting a transversal line. We have the angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, angle G, and angle H. Now here, we have the given angle C, which is equal to 60 degrees, and angle H, which is equal to 120 degrees. Now, our question is the name of these angles. Angle F is equal to 60 degrees, and angle E is equal to angle D. What is the name of these angles? The question is the name of these angles. Good luck. Pais and Sheila decided to eat at Pizza Hut. Pais ordered 3 slices of pizza and 2 soft drinks, while Sheila ordered 2 slices of pizza and 3 soft drinks. Pais paid 600 pesos, while Sheila paid 525 pesos. How much did one pizza size cost? Now, to solve this one, we will assign variables. We will let x as the cost of one slice of pizza, and y the cost of one soft drink. Now here, Pais and Sheila decided to eat at Pizza Hut. Pais ordered 3 slices of pizza. That means 3 slices of pizza, that means 3 times x, and 2 soft drinks, so plus 2y, and she paid 600 pesos for all, for both, so 600. Now, we have now the equation 1. A second one, Sheila ordered 2 slices, so 2 slices, so 2 times the cost of pizza, plus 3 soft drinks, so 3y is equal to 525. She paid 525 pesos. So we have equation 2. Now, we have to solve either x or y. Now, from here, to at least eliminate one of the variable, we have to multiply a number, so at least one of this one will be the same, so we can minus. Now, for example, this first equation, we can multiply it by 2, so it will become 6x plus 4y is equal to, so 600 by 2 is 1,200. Now, the second one, also, we have to multiply a number, so we can multiply it by 3, so it will become 6x. So, at least we can minus to eliminate one variable. So, we can multiply this one by 3, so it will become 6x plus 3 times 3 is 9y is equal to 525 times 3 is equal to 1575. Now, from here, so now we can eliminate at least one variable by subtracting. So, if we will subtract this one will be eliminated. So, 4y minus 0, this is minus 5y is equal to 1,2,0,0,156 is equal to 375. Y therefore is equal to, of course, divided by minus equal positive. So, y is equal to 75. Now, this is the cost of one soft drinks. Now, we have to solve the x, the cost of one slice of pizza. This is the one we are looking for. So, we can substitute in any of the equation. For example, the equation 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 600. 3x plus 2 times y, which is 75, is equal to 600. X therefore is equal to 150 pesos per slice. This is the cost of the pizza. One slice of pizza.
Sorry, it's DJ. Sorry, it's DJ.